I'm Antoinette Owen, Senior Paper Conservator and Head of the Paper Conservation Lab. And in the last few months, I've had the pleasure to be able to examine this drawing, which is a study for Caillebotte's monumental painting, Paris Street, Rainy Day. What I found when I started to look at this drawing is that he used two types of graphite pencil, one a very soft pencil, which he probably used outdoors and on site. It's soft and it's very heavy. Then he used a second type of harder pencil, which makes a fainter line, and he used that pencil for his architectural renditions and for vanishing points and for the horizon line. Only in one area did he use charcoal, and this was along the top margin line. He used it to lower the composition. This drawing has been talked about and published many times before. It's been examined, but I don't think it was ever put under a very powerful microscope. I found very tiny but distinct indentations in the paper. Sometimes these indentations were shown in clusters. So at this point, I was finding these not just in 2 or 3 places. I was finding these indentations all over the drawing, and I thought I need to bring in the rest of the team to look at this, and let's put our heads together as to exactly what we're seeing. When you map out these various indentations, you see that there are 57 different locations where Caillebotte made these indentations. And what it also helps you see when it's mapped out is that it follows a horizon line, it divides the lamppost, and it marks certain architectural lines. Everybody looking at it realized at about the same moment that these indentations had to be tool marks. They had no visible effect. You could never see them without high magnification. They were the result of some type of measuring device that Caillebotte placed on the drawing. Why would he do that? Well, we came to the conclusion that these measuring points were actually used to mark distances. The ratio of this drawing to the painting is approximately 1:7. When you multiply a distance on the drawing between 2 points, multiply it by 7, you come up with something that fairly accurately corresponds to vanishing points and horizon line and so on the canvas. But the revelation for us about this drawing is it was the tool by which he transcribed what he had on the drawing to the canvas. And this wonderful discovery provided us with new insights into Caillebotte's working method, and it more closely links the drawing and the painting in a very significant way.